Hey everyone! In today's video, I'll show you how to download and inject the latest multi-loader. It's quick, easy, and works perfectly. Let's get started. The download link will be in the description. Once it's downloaded, just extract the folder and run the loader as administrator. Then just repeat after me. After the injection, you can immediately enter the game. Good luck!